So we're back at that fancy resort place in the jacuzzi. She's got more balls than me. They're still gonna catch us out. What's up guys? It's Sunday 24th of December, Christmas Eve, and we're off to a pretty good start. It's bucketing down this morning, like the loudest rain you've ever heard. Felt like this place was gonna come crumbling down. It woke me up this morning and yeah, it was just pissing down rain. So I also woke up with a sore throat. I don't know if this thing's getting any better. It feels like it's getting worse. I was coughing a lot of last night, so not feeling 100%. My thing here is sort of getting better. But anyway, today's my break day, so I've been diving the last 2 days. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, go check them out. Today's a break day, so I want to go around, explore the island, you know, see a couple of things. Hopefully try to fly Mav. I keep saying that all the time, but I just never get a chance to fly her. Like, it just randomly rains and I don't want it to be up in the sky and it pisses down rain. It kind of feels like Vietnam actually. Like last week has just been pretty grey and raining here and there, and you never really get a good day of just sun. Kind of has that Vietnam feel. But don't worry, I am not going to do a crying vlog. I'm not going to do one of those this year anyway. So guys, just for these daily vlogs, I'll be uploading twice a week, so every Wednesday and Sunday, just to get a bit of consistency in my life, and also daily editing won't take too much away from my trip this time. You know, a bit of more of a scheduled routine. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. It's only the start of my trip, so there's plenty more to come. Alright guys, and we're off on Christmas Day exploring the island, and today I've got Mercedes here with me.
Hi!
Mercedes is from?
Germany!
Yeah,
from
Germany.
Munich, Bavaria.
Oh,
it's something special.
We were talking last night and I didn't know, because in Sydney we have Bavarian Beer Cafe, and I didn't know that was an actual place and that Munich is the capital of Bavaria.
Yeah.
But she is true blood Bavaria.
Capital of beer.
Yeah, capital of beer. And she could down a 600ml bottle easy, and then you could do like a liter as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did it once on Oktoberfest. It was quite fun. In Germany, Oktoberfest, we got this 1 liter glass.
Yeah.
One Mass beer. I could drink, or I did it a lot when I go to Oktoberfest. 8
liters. Yeah. When I went to Munich, I was drunk off 3. Like I was on my 4th liter, and I was just off my face. I couldn't do it anymore. I was like crawling back to my room, and I didn't even make it. I slept on the hallway. And my mate.
I told you, Australians are always drunk.
Harold got a photo of me on the hallway, like my best mate, and I was just like sitting on the hallway, drunk as anything. But yeah, the weather's sort of cleared up now. Sun hasn't come out to play yet, but at least it's not raining. So we're just walking through town. I think it's quite a small town as well, because you walked it yesterday.
Yeah, it's small. It just I don't know, interesting places in the water.
Yeah.
We didn't really cross the village, but there are 2 parts. This side and off the other side from our resort.
Alright, so we're just having a look at how deep this water is. It's low tide at the moment. It's only about 1 meter deep, but but we want to try jumping off the top deck there, and I think it looked pretty sick because it's got the Malaysia flag. So if you position it right, I do a backflip off it, I think it's going to be sick. So high tides later this afternoon. She's keen to jump,
yeah,
but then I think I have to like build up my confidence for the whole day to do a backflip, because I'm pretty scared right now. Alright, so we're just now walking through the town area of the island, and to be honest, it has a similar feel to Kalangaman Island in the Philippines. How it's like the villages in the island and then like the resorts and the hostels or whatever and all the scuba diving things on the side. So yeah, quite similar feel. Lots of little kids playing. This is like their houses and where they live. So you saw earlier kids playing games, there's coconuts, there's little huts and stalls where they sell foods and snacks. Lots of little kids, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at them playing with the dragon.
And it's like the most humid day, the sun's not even out and we're just like sweating, waiting for the rain to pass.
So hot.
Yeah. This is a graveyard, and if you feel like having something to eat.
Bones.
Maybe it's for zombies.
Ooh.
Restaurant for zombies. So right now we're just walking through a resort on Mabul Island. So if you're not into the whole hostel thing and backpackery place and want to spend a bit more money, I think this is like the main resort, right? Yeah, on the island. So
The biggest one.
it's really nice back there, and then they had a pool, they had a jacuzzi. So if you want to travel to this island, have a bit more of a budget, this would be the place for you. Alright, so we're just back at the hostel now, and Mercedes has a few early Christmas presents from her best friend.
Weihnachten.
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 Weihnachten. Oh, I know to say good, happy birthday.
How?
Oh man. Oh no, that's too
So
hard.
you can say Alles Gute zum Geburtstag Jesus.
We have to
means
say it
Happy
slow.
birthday Jesus.
No, well, you don't need to say happy birthday, Jesus. Weihnachten.
We don't yell.
Germans don't yell. So this is a good old German gingerbread. When she said
Best
gingerbread, I thought it was an actual gingerbread man, but it has chocolate in it, so good chocolate fix.
Yeah. From Nuremberg. It's a city of Germany and it's the best.
This is what her friend made her. So sweet.
It's one soul in two bodies. That's the quote of,
Oh,
of the
that's
book.
so
It's
sweet.
She made it for me. On the first page, I started to cry like a baby because it's so sweet.
Yeah.
We work together.
That's so much effort.
Yeah.
How good's that? Some people think they look the same, but I don't think they do. But some photos, I guess they do.
They keep on asking us if we are twins. But we're not. Oh, the funny thing about it, look at it. They're always saying that I'm the older one, but I'm younger. 3 years younger.
3 years younger. Oh,
Look, you can see the love in our eyes.
Yeah. What? Blue hair? Oh no, it's blonde. This photo's blue. So here's a few photos of me and my best mate Harold, which I'm actually going to visit him in Singapore later on. But this is us. Don't know if we look the same. People thought we do look the same.
No.
That's only because they probably haven't seen much Filipinos, or just two Filipino guys walking around together with sunnies. So yeah,
But
she
he's
still
afraid.
wants to jump. It's 3 o'clock, fine. But then do it now, I'll never do it.
Yeah?
Okay, bye. Alright guys, so we're back at that fancy resort place in the jacuzzi. She's got more balls than me. She's like, yeah, let's get in the jacuzzi and watch the sunset. I'm like, they're still gonna catch us out, but it's a good idea.
Yeah, that's great.
We're just gonna chill in the jacuzzi until the sun sets. And so I'm signing off for today. We're just gonna have dinner and then drinks for Christmas. So gonna put the camera down. Been a full day of just having the camera around. So have a Merry Christmas, guys, and I'll catch you guys nice and early at the dive tomorrow.
Bye, Merry Christmas.
Oh, what's Merry Christmas in German again?
Weihnachten. Frohe Weihnachten.
There you go. I'm not gonna try that.
Say it. Frohe Weihnachten.
Hey,
Frohe
Frohe
Weihnachten.
Weihnachten. Oh, it's coming back, yeah, Frohe Weihnachten.
Yeah.
Yeah, Frohe Weihnachten. I remember that, yeah, Frohe Weihnachten. Alright, see you guys.